I'm just a regular dude and we're going kayaking. And with me today is a special guest, aka the Red King. He's taking me with him, kayaking. We're gonna go see, maybe we'll spot a seal, we can see birds, fishes, who knows. Let's go, let's ride. Alright guys, you know the drill. The regular dude is opening a Pokemon pack. This is getting trendy here on my videos, but I like it. I like Pokemon, so let's rip this open. Alright, let's get it open. You know the drill. Take this away. What we got? We got Basic Energy. We got Miltank. We got Wimpod. And we got Plusle. Tandemaus. Ooh, Minior. Ooh, Crocolar. Uh-oh. Let's see what we get. Tulip. We got the Tulip. Tiptoe through the window to the tulips with me. Oh, we got Knucklestack. Shiny Knucklestack. That's pretty nice. Oh, who we got here? Vanilluxy. And ding. We got Low Kicks. Alright, all in all, this was a shitty package. Hope we get better next time. Thank you. See you. Alright. Wetsuit ready. Okay, all dressed up. Ready to go. Let's see how the Red King is doing, aka the Herminator. He's pumping up the boats. We're lucky he's a strong man with strong legs and shoulders to pump. We're gonna head on this way. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Good. All right, boats ready? The Red King ready? I'm ready. Let's go into the ocean. Over there. All right, we're out. Out and about. There's the Red King. There's the land. Land down under, and we're going over there. We're heading that way. Taking a look at the Avenger, or the ruins that you've seen before in the older videos. But now we can see them by sea, on the sea. So yeah, let's go this way. Some blackbirds floating around here. They taste delicious. And you can see over there another kayak group. And over there, sticking up from the ocean, is an old shipwreck. But yeah, let's keep heading that way. And my tour guide, where his is over there. So yeah, but it's a nice day just to sit out here and take a float. Take a float and wonder, what would Jesus do? Alright guys, we spotted a seal. Me and Herman, we spotted a seal. There he is. He's coming closer to us. He's over there. I don't know if you can see him in the GoPro, but we're gonna go try to sneak closer to him. Oh, look at him. That's a beautiful bit. Oh, the two of them. We got two of them over there. I don't know if you can see their head popping out. No, they're not gonna attack us. They're just curious. I'm gonna switch to another camera. Alright guys, I switched to the better camera, Canon. So I'm gonna try to capture them on this one. Let's see where they pop up next. Huh. There he is, guys. There's one of them. You can see his head pop up there. They're really close to land now. We're gonna go try to take a closer look. There he is. He dived again. Alright guys, he's over there. You can see his head pop out. He's just swimming around us, taking a look at us, because he's as curious about us as we are about him. And that noise you can hear above me is the Arctic tern. Really annoying. But a beautiful bird. You can see a lot of Arctic tern hunting grounds here. They're probably fishing the small fishes. There's a lot of them around here now. You can probably hear them. The Arctic tern. a beautiful but a noisy bird also. But yeah, it's kind of a Icelandic national bird if you think about it, even though it's not. But you always think about Iceland when you look at the Arctic Tern. But yeah, let's keep on heading that way and try to spot more seals. And there you can see the Hermanator in all his glory. You good? Fantastic. Alright guys, we're heading into a large group of birds, yeah? There's a lot of seabirds here. I'm gonna go try to row near them. You can't see them from that angle, but I'm gonna try to go closer. Let's see. Alright, here's the big group of seabirds. And my kayak is taking me into circles. Alright, here's the big group of seabirds. I've been following them for a while, trying to get closer, but this is as close as I'm gonna get right now. You can see them just over here. Nice, beautiful birds. And there is Siglufjörður. There's the Coast Guard ship over here. And there is Kvennaraskál. Nice little hike to go up there. And you can see the beautiful town. And the Red King talking on phone. The Red King talking on the phone. Enjoying nature, as you should. Alright, here you can see the beautiful view over the town. The town of Siglufjörður. Siglufjörður, like you say in the mother tongue. And right about over there, shoop, that's Sigluness. That's a ness. And then right about there, up there in the valley, above Hermann's head, that's Skarðsdalur, where I took the hike in some videos ago. Over there, that's where the ski area is. So yeah, it's a nice little view over here. And what do we see here? A fellow boater. A little bit bigger, but he's taking a sail somewhere. He's gonna set sail and see the world. Good for him. Good for him. Man, it doesn't get better than this. Nice little view in the background. Cozy little ocean. And yeah, we're keeping a lookout for seals still. We've been going here back and forth, keeping our eyes open. But it seems like the seal is more that way, closer to land than we went this way. That way, further out of the fjord. Didn't seem much more livelier there. Just some seabirds, but they flew away. And yeah, we're in more deeper water also here. So we're gonna head back to more shallower waters and try to spot that seal again. But yeah, come along. Alright guys, we found the seal again. I'm gonna try to capture him now. Let's go. There he is. You can see him in all his glory. There he is. Look at that magnificent creature. Beautiful. Now he went in for a dive. I'm gonna try to get a closer look. There he is again. Nosy little fella. There he went down again. My goal is to try to capture him as close as I can with this lens. There he is. There he is again. Alright guys, I'm really close to him now. I know that it doesn't feel like that on the camera, but I'm extremely close to him now. He's a beautiful boy. Or a girl. I don't know, but look at him. He's just like a wet little Labrador. It's amazing. Beautiful. There he is again. Magnificent creature.
Ég ætla ekki að vera í þessu skoti, sko.
Hvað segir kallinn?
Góður.
Þetta verður flott í vídeói.
Já.
The herring ruins. This was once a great herring operation building, but now it's not. Now it's just the ruins and a time capsule, basically, frozen in time. It went over in a great avalanche in 1919, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was in 1919. Yeah, you can see this in my earlier videos. I go and I hike up to this thing and take a look at it. But yeah, now you can see it here from the ocean. So yeah, nice little nugget for you there. Let's keep searching for that seal. Let's go. Here behind me is an old wooden herring ship that stranded here many years ago. Nobody really knows how long time ago, but maybe someone in the comments can comment that. But yeah, it's been stranded here for a long time, and now it has been kept there just as a relic, like many other things here. So it's kind of another time capsule, a reminder of old times, harsher times. That's the wisdom from the regular dude. Thank you. Here is a closer look at that shipwreck I was talking about. That got wrecked here many years ago. And now it's just a relic and a beautiful piece of history.
Ætli þú komist? Ætli þú komist?
Alright guys, that's it for now. Thank you for coming along on this kayak trip. And remember, nobody's an unbeaten bishop that doesn't wear a push-up to have to... I don't know, I'm still working on it. I'll see you later.